Hello all. So today we'll be going through another control structure in pipeline called accept part. So let's get started. I'll rename this file which is existing one. Okay. So now we will create one more file actually. So I'll go to the plus sign again, new file, and this time I'll insert the code which is specific to only case. So I'll just copy these things. Again, you can generate all these things from ChatGPT or any other open API call. Okay, so file name again we need to give as gitlab-ci so that it will be recognizing as recognizing that it should pick up the contents from this file and execute the pipeline. So what it here contains is like it contains two stages: build and deploy. So in the build and deploy job and the stage here, we can see the keywords are here, and then it is printing the statement in the script like we're building the project. And this is like whenever it's triggered from the branch or tags, it will not trigger. So basically, we should be only be seeing this build job. I'll just commit it. So this is the how like we can implement for the accept part which we have executed. So we can see the pipeline. Let's go to the pipeline and see, and we can see only build job is there. There is no deploy job because in the exceptions we already mentioned like this will not be working for branches and tags. So similarly, you can also block for environments and all with different use case.